Hi guys, my name is Olivia, and today I'm going to be discussing some controversial and scientific topics, stem cell research and cloning. Now both topics can really polarize a room of mixed company if you're not careful, so tread lightly on these topics. But according to a journal by Jeff Tollefson, during the 2016 presidential election, Mike Pence, naturally being a Christian conservative, criticized Obama's support for embryonic stem cell research. It is a controversial issue religiously and ethically, so it's, not surprising that it's often made political. Clinton, however, she took a more pro-science stance, saying that stem cell research is the foundation for the future. And I included the full source in the bio below. I agree with Obama and Clinton's stance that it could be beneficial to us, so beneficial, should we make the proper advancements. I mean, stem cell research is already used to cure Parkinson's disease and could theoretically be used to regrow lost limbs, replace skin tissue for burn victims, or cure type 1 diabetes. The pros definitely outweigh the cons here, in my opinion, even on an ethical level, and I'm a philosophy major, so I really contemplate these things for a while. As for cloning, it's a little bit more dicey here. I mean, farmers have been cloning plants in order to grow larger and more durable crops for years now, and it doesn't really cause much of a stir with anyone. However, if we develop it correctly, cloning can theoretically be used to bring back dead pets, create disease and pest-resistant plants and animals, preserve endangered species, and even potentially bring back extinct ones, which is pretty cool. And maybe with enough research, we could potentially grow replacement organs and tissues, or even complete human beings. At this point, though, we're not able to do basically any of that, and I think a lot of people are really happy that we're not able to clone human parts or humans. They did manage to clone Dolly the sheep in 1996, who lived a regular sheep life as far as we know, and have since been able to clone other animals as well. And people have what are, in my opinion, very valid concerns about the ethical and logistic processes of cloning humans, especially when we consider that it only really has a 0 to 3% success rate. So at this point, most people disagree with the ethical position of cloning humans. According to an article by Francisco Ayala, the French Parliament actually described cloning of humans as a crime against the human species, and it can be punishable by up to 20 years in prison. So the lines are drawn much more clearly in the sand when it comes to cloning compared to stem cell research. And I think that's a smart move, honestly. I think it's much safer to move slower when it comes to cloning. Though the benefits could potentially make it worth it. I mean, bringing back extinct species could be so beneficial to us. That's all I have. And if you heard a lot of weird sounds during this video, don't worry, it wasn't me. It's my dogs. So, that's all. Thanks for watching.